What is the Web 3.0? Easily explained! Did you know that the number of electronic devices connected to IP networks was more than thrice the global population as of 2020? Smartphones have already overtaken PCs concerning the traffic produced. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about Web 3.0 and how it will be implemented globally. This is a concept that has been in the works for some time now. Stick around to find out how this will impact your internet usage in the future. Data volumes are at an all-time high and continuously increasing at a rapid rate. We are creating a lot of content and sending it out for everyone to see. Web 3.0 was first mentioned in 2006 when a reporter of the New York Times referred to it as a new evolution of the web. What this evolution holds and how it is going to change internet surfing as we know it is the question that needs unraveling. Web 3.0 has been under development for years and is an upgraded version of the internet that will be based on public blockchains, which is known for processing crypto transactions. The unique function of Web 3.0 is that it is decentralized, which implies that individuals can own as well as govern different sections of the internet. It focuses on a machine-based analysis of data to be able to make data more driven and the semantic web more accessible. In order to simplify the aim of Web 3.0, you only need to understand that it is an upgrade from the web that we use now, also referred to as Web 2.0. Web 2.0 allows users to interact over social media and to create, share, and consume content. There is a very basic level of understanding between the web itself and its user. Web 3.0 is trying to develop smarter, connected, and transparent websites that can analyze data at a much higher level and subsequently interact in a more personal manner. So the aim is to modify how people will interact with websites and what they will come to expect. Before Web 2.0, we had the basic version of the web. Web 1.0 included users accessing websites for consulting and did not engage in creating content at all. It took over a decade to implement Web 2.0, and it is safe to say that Web 3.0 might take the same amount of time, if not more. It is still under development as experts are still trying to decode and understand the technology involved. So how did the concept of Web 3.0 start? The term was coined more than a decade ago, but the roots of its evolution can be traced back even further. The World Wide Web has changed dramatically over the years since its inception back in 1989. For 10 years, Web 1.0 headed the internet revolution and people were excited to use it. Fast forward 10 years and Web 2.0 was developed and ready to be implemented with the aim to engage users more. In fact, Web 2.0 gave a platform for these social media applications like Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, etc. In the early days, these apps were extremely successful as the new age of the internet was made accessible to all. These companies heavily rely on gathering user data and earning revenue through personalized ads. This leads to more clicks and hence more revenue from ads. Web 2.0 gave a platform to let these companies exploit and centralize user data for a much more personalized experience. Web 3.0 is also known as Semantic Web and has been implemented in parts of the web since the 2010s. Using machine learning or ML and artificial intelligence or AI to input and process data on a similar level to humans has ensured smart processing and aiding a user's specific needs with detailed analysis. This results in the spread of valuable content across the web and individuals can access personalized results. The biggest distinction between Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 is the decentralized networks in the new version. These decentralized networks are a huge part of this web upgrade. Web 3.0 developers do not make or release apps that run on a single server. They don't even store data in a single database. Even though it hasn't been implemented on a large scale yet, Web 3.0 is being used by smaller companies to test as well as utilize its features. As of now, the implementation on a small scale has proven that it rests on 4 major pillars. Commitment to the proper distribution of media, audio, image, video, and using social platforms to interact and socialize are 2 of the pillars. The other 2 are multi-support distribution and finally, the content itself. As the web space is further developed and newer tech is unraveled, the process of innovation will go on. But as of now, we are aware of these specific set of features that Web 3.0 holds. Ubiquity will allow users to access content through any device and multiple applications. Thus, users can utilize services from any part of the world as all the devices are connected to the web. This also ensures better connectivity and interaction for users. The metadata allows for information across the web to be more connected, and hence better results are possible. The use of 3D might sound like an older concept, but it is being used across many interfaces to make the experience feel much more real and interactive. These graphics are being extensively used across many websites and software. Monument guides, games, e-commerce, etc. are all using 3D to attract more users. The best feature has to be the implementation of the Semantic Web, as it ensures improvement in the search for content and connections online. This is due to the analysis being based on understanding words instead of just looking up keywords. The aim is to make the machine think as humanly as possible. Another feature is the use of AI in order to get more relevant results quickly. AI makes the computer think like humans to get a more personal touch and better results. This can be best understood through an example. Imagine you are driving in the city and want to watch an action movie and then eat Chinese cuisine for dinner. You will need to mention this to the computer, which will then analyze your location, past preferences, movie theaters near you, user reviews, and many other logistics to show you the best combination of results. The best part is that these results will differ for other people, and hence the personal touch is a crucial part of this. The incoming generation will get to experience a newer tech, and it will impact our lives in many ways. One of the major aspects of Web 3.0 is that it is extremely open and hence transparent. This ensures that all applications are created with the help of open source software. This implies that an open community of these developers can easily access the code of this app. We might say goodbye to data theft for good, as all these third-party getaways and secure networks will be removed. This will be a major win against data hackers and shady virtual networks. All in all, the implementation of Web 3.0 is only a few years away. Blockchain technology is already raking in countless users with its decentralized network. The shift will come, and with it, many new perks will emerge. There are many speculations as to what the future of this evolution holds. Some users are excited, while others are dreading a full-on human versus AI war. It is natural to be scared of change, and whoever said that change is the only constant was right. Web 3.0 isn't the end, it is just a phase that will be suspended by a potential Web 4.0 after some years. It is not about resisting change, but rather learning how to adapt to it. We suggest learning more about this upcoming transition and staying ahead of the curve. Thank you for watching the video, and please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you all in the next one. Until then, peace.